can't believe how fast fall is coming. It's already August. As soon as we blink, it's going to be gone and we're into the fall season. With fall brings all the fall decorations and what else? Candles. Fall candles. Who doesn't love a good fall scent? Everyone is obsessed with the fall pumpkin spice lattes, all of those different apple cinnamon scents. This company here is, I believe, underrated for what it is. This box has got 4 candles in it. They're pretty heavy. The box itself is pretty hefty. Let's open it up and check out these candles. Inside the box, it came with this card right here. It's a nice fall thank you card. The back, it's a little bit about the aromatherapy candles that they have. As soon as I opened this box, I can instantly smell these candles. They're packaged really well. They have the styrofoam on top that just pops out. And inside we have 4 beautiful fall scents. The first scent is called Autumn Wreath. It's infused with maple, cinnamon, vanilla, and floral. Now, I'm not big on floral scents, but this one, something about it, it's not a top note, so I do like that candle. I like that a lot. I don't really smell the maple. I smell a lot of vanilla and some, I don't know, but this smells really good. It smells clean and crisp. The company that I found on Amazon is called Auelife, Auelife. I'm probably butchering the name. I don't know how to say it, but these scents are incredible. This one here is called Harvest Season. This is infused apple, cinnamon, vanilla, and musk. Ooh. I really smell the apple and cinnamon in this, and definitely the musk. You can smell that in here. This smells definitely like a pumpkin patch, like what you would expect a fall pumpkin patch to smell like. Definitely smell the cinnamon and almost like the cinnamon fall crisp leaves. Yeah, that smells nice. Next in the set, we have the traditional apple pie. I've never been a big fan of like apple pie calendars. What the hell? Candles. This one is really light. It has a really light scent to it, so it's not overpowering, which I kind of like. Yeah. Definitely smell the apple and the spice. It smells spicy. Apple spice. It smells like apple spice. Last up, we have cinnamon and pumpkin. That one is also light. I don't know. It smells yummy. I don't know what note I'm picking up more in this. I think maybe the cinnamon. It must be the pumpkin smell. It must be the pumpkin smell I'm picking up in that one. That one is really light, but also a fresh scent. I do like that. Definitely reminds me of fall. I think that out of these 4 different candles and the 4 different fall scents I received, I have 2 favorites, and that is this Harvest Season, that's infused with apple, cinnamon, vanilla, and musk. This one is strong, and I really like it. This will probably smell up my entire house when I burn this. And my second favorite is this Autumn Wreath. This one, I would wear this scent as a perfume. If I could find that as a perfume, I would wear it. It smells delicious. This one is infused with maple, cinnamon, vanilla, and floral. But the floral scent to it is one that I would wear. And I do not like floral scents. Just an FYI, I don't wear florally perfumes. I don't like it. But this, I love. If this were a perfume, I would wear it. This one is Autumn Wreath. You get this whole set on Amazon for an incredibly low price. I will leave it down in the link below. Let's test them out. These candles are amazing. They burn clean. When I lit them, there was no soot, no smoke, and you can instantly smell them. So they're not the type of candle that you're not gonna know is burning. You're gonna smell it, and I think that these are gonna smell up my whole entire house like the fall season, and I am here for it. So if you are looking for a great value and some good fall scents, try out Auelife on Amazon. I will have a link in the description box below for you to check these out. You get 4 and it's pretty inexpensive. I'll also link the price down here so you can see how much it costs to buy the box of 4. It's a pretty good deal. I am super happy with these candles, and I'm going to check out and see what other scents they have. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and check out this underrated candle company on Amazon.